It's Christmas. All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. I hope your morning is going great. It is the holiday season right now. So you're actually watching this. If you're watching it the day it comes out, today should be December 23rd, which is Christmas Eve. So Merry Christmas to everybody watching this. I really appreciate all the support throughout the years. If you're new and this is the first video you've seen of mine, here on my channel, we do a lot of kayak modifications, kayak trailer builds, camping trailer builds. I even restored a few bass boats and campers. So I do a little bit of everything here. Not to mention we also go out and try everything out that I build. So if you're new and you're into that kind of stuff, be sure you hit the subscribe button, go to my homepage, check out all my videos. Maybe you'll find something there you like, and welcome to the Yak-Squad. So today I kind of wanted to just do a give back to you guys. You've supported me well throughout the years. You've supported me by either clicking the like button on my videos, watching the videos all the way through, and a lot of you guys have even joined the Yak-Squad by clicking that join button up under the video and becoming a member of amazing community that I got of followers from you guys. So I really appreciate all that support. So today I'm going to do a give back. We're going to give away 3 items. So 3 of you watching are going to be able to win 3 different items today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I'm giving away. At the end of the video, I'm going to tell you what you have to do to qualify to win and when I'm going to make the announcement. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to be giving away is one of these amazing K5 tight line anchors. Now, if you are new and you don't know anything about these anchors and you're just getting into kayaking, I've got a video, a full installation video on this anchor kit. I think I installed it on a Jackson Big Rig HD FD this year. I'll link the video right in here somewhere and you can check it out. But this is a tight line anchor. They're foldable, they're made out of stainless steel, they're riveted. They're gonna last forever. As long as you keep up with it, you'll have it forever. They've got really cool breakaway kits in the system, so you can't lose one of these at the bottom of the lake somewhere. So one of you guys are going to win a free one of these, and if you don't win, I'm going to have all of this stuff linked in the video description below. So if you do see something you like, you can click the link and go straight to it if you want to. So one of the items is going to be this awesome K5 Tightline Anchor kit from Tightline Anchors. Thanks Tightline Anchors for sending one out. They actually reached out and said, hey, we want you to give away one of our anchors in your giveaway, so I appreciate it, guys. So one of you guys are gonna get one of these. A lot of you guys are following me for a long time. You keep up with all of my builds and my kayak modifications and stuff, and you ask me where I get certain things in my videos when I'm building something or just rigging something out. Don't forget, you can always click my personal website page, which is www.kit.co/kayak USA. I'll have it on the screen here, and it's also always linked in the video description below. What it is a personal website of mine that I built out, and every time I make a video on YouTube of a build or a modification or whatever, I make its own little cart on this page, kind of a cart you would say, and you'll see the picture, and I'll have it titled almost the same title as the video you watched. All you gotta do is go to my website, click that video that you watched, and everything that I used in that video, I provide links to that, whether it's on Amazon, eBay, wherever I've got the product, you'll find it there. You'll find the links, like the anchor install video we did. You can find that on my personal page. If you was ever looking for the link to the exact anchor that I had, you can go open up that cart on there, find everything that I used to install this on that video, including the anchor. So don't forget that. You can always check that out for those of you that are new and didn't know about my website. So that's gonna be the first thing we give away. The second thing and the third thing, these are 2 separate giveaways. So one of you guys are gonna win the Yak-Squad Mondo Bass Kit, and this one is called the Dangler. So it comes with a mini banger, a little juicy jig, a zinger, and a pack of hammer hooks. And these things are awesome. They make great gifts if you wanna buy one for your husband or your wife or your son or your daughter or whatever. If they're into fishing, these are really cool because you get your own little box. You know what you're getting in it. You just don't know the colors. The color is, I guess, the surprise. So these are really cool. If you don't win these, make sure you use my code and my link below on shopcarls.com. You can actually order these, and I've got a coupon code. I'm sponsored by Carl's, and you can save some money on stuff like this. So Links in the description if you don't win, but hopefully you do win and I'll ship this out to you. The next one is a little bit, it's a step up from the dangler there. This one's called the Yak-Squad Mondo Kit. It is the bass box, and this one's called Biggins. And it comes with a clutch, a saucy swimmer, a grass hero, a Hummer, and a face shield, like a mask like you see me wear when I'm fishing from Yak-Squad. So it comes with all of that in this one awesome box. Now these things are really cool. They keep coming out with different sizes of these too. I think I was on Shop Carl's yesterday just kind of looking around. I go on there just about every day to see what's new on their website, and they've got some big ones. I think they got like a big box on there right now. So if you're interested in getting you one of these that's even bigger than this, or you want to see the variety of the actual fish, because I think they've got other stuff besides just bass, go to their website. Like I said, it's linked below. If you do buy something, use my code. If you're not signed up for a mystery tackle box, which by the way, I guess it's gonna be 4 giveaways today. So surprise, I just remembered there's gonna be 4, not 3. So, because I'm also gonna give you guys a mystery tackle box. So, but you can go to their website, shopcarls.com, make sure that you use the code to sign up. But if you buy the mystery tackle box subscription, like this one right here, this one is actually the Elite boxes, which I get. They just changed the color to red. Where's my red one? Here we go. So like this right here, if you subscribe, they got a couple of different ones. They got the Elite and they got the Pro, and this is what the Pro will look like. But if you sign up and you use my promo code, which I'll have it linked in the video description below, it'll save you money on your subscription. So, and this subscription is awesome. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I just did a clean out of my fishing tackle this week, and I kind of did a little video of all the tackle that I've accumulated. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but this is only just maybe an eighth of the tackle that I have, unopened tackle, because throughout the years, as long as you stay subscribed, every month you get new tackle in the mail, and there's no way you can use it all. There's just no way. You get so much tackle using these guys. So like this one is this month's Elite box. I hadn't even got a chance to take it out and hang it up yet. Look at all this tackle. This is just the month of December. I mean, this is a ton of, and there's still a pack down here. So much tackle. So if you're watching this video and you're new and you don't have a subscription to Mystery Tackle Box, or you're watching for your husband or whatever, your son, get them one. They'll really appreciate this. You can get different species and stuff like that depending on where you live in the country. So it's a really cool thing. Check them out. But that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give away a mystery tackle box also. I'm gonna ship one out to you. I might even have them ship it straight from mystery tackle box straight to you. So it's actually gonna be, instead of 3, we're gonna give away 4. So it'll be a mystery tackle box, the Mondo Biggins box, the Mondo Dangler box, and the Tightline Anchors K5 anchor grapple. So, or grappling anchor, I should say. So here's how you win this, all right? I've thought about this for the last 2 days. Oh, and I'm also gonna throw in, for everybody's gonna get a few Kayak USA decals of my own. And don't forget, if you wanna support the channel in a different way, you can always click. I've got some really comfortable Kayak USA shirts, pullovers, hoodies. Everything is linked up under the video. This one is super soft. This is one of those real form-fitting slim tees, but it's real soft. So I've got links to these below. If you want to support the channel, you can go to my Teesprings account. They'll ship them straight from their warehouse straight to your door. You just pick the size and the color you want and you can get it. All right, so I know you want me to shut up and tell you how to win. So in order to win today, one of 4 chances to win, so 4 people is gonna win today, you have to comment up under this video, Merry Christmas. You have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel, and I will check. You have to be subscribed to Kayak USA. You have to comment Merry Christmas up under this video. And for bonuses now, I will be able to check to see these bonus submissions. So for bonus submissions, you can go to my other videos, go to the comment section, and also comment Merry Christmas. I don't care which videos, I don't care how many videos. Every time I see a comment Merry Christmas up under one of my YouTube videos, I'll get the notification and your name will be written down again. So what I'm gonna do is on New Year's Day, I'm going to tally up everybody who has said Merry Christmas to me up under this video and all of my other YouTube videos. Like I said, as many as you want on any video. It only counts one per video, so just don't spam it up under one video, but it has to be individual videos, one per video. Just comment Merry Christmas. Just tell me Merry Christmas, guys. That's all I want. Just somebody to say Merry Christmas. And I'm gonna send out some really cool prize packs to you guys. I hope you had a wonderful year this year. I've got so much planned for 2022. It's amazing. 2021 was really amazing, even after this whole pandemic thing. Right now we're building the camping cart. I hope you guys seen that video last week. If you didn't, it wasn't just about the camping cart. So if you didn't click the thumbnail just because you've seen me with a golf cart on the picture, I've talked about some other builds that I've got going on. So if you haven't seen it, I'll link the video here. Go watch last week's video. I'm building a really cool golf cart. It's a 1990 E-Z-Go. I'm gonna convert into a fishing kind of cart where when we go camping, we can take it with us on the trailer we built, and we can ride it around the campsites, or we can ride around the lakes with our fishing rods, pull the Hobie behind it using the boondocks without a trailer. I got some really cool ideas, so if you missed the video, I'm gonna link it right here. Got some really cool stuff coming up for camping. We're gonna go up north to Tennessee. We're gonna try out this rooftop tent this winter. All kind of cool stuff. I can't cover it all in this video, but if you're not subscribed, subscribe, guys. I upload every Thursday at 2 p.m. Central Time. Good luck on the giveaway. Merry Christmas, and I'll talk to you guys on New Year's. I'll make the announcement of the winner on my Instagram page and right here on YouTube. So if you don't want to miss the winner, make sure you go follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Kayak USA on Instagram. Follow me there. And on the YouTube channel, I'll also make a post in the community section. One good way to find out when you win stuff like this or when my videos are up, if you are subscribed, go click the little bell icon right next to the subscribe button. That way you will get notified whenever I go live. If I may go live and announce it, but if not, it'll be in the community section right there on my page. You can go there and you'll see a post where I announce all the winners, what you won, and when I'll be shipping it out to you. So that's it for this video, guys. I appreciate all of the support throughout the years. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next year. Peace.